have absolutely no idea how to script. So guess what I'm doing? I'm learning how to script. So I've already done 2, which I don't even understand. So we will now learn if statements. If statements are incredibly useful. And use one example of an if statement could be if game.player parentheses, what is that? Find first child parentheses what are those? Quotation marks, Roblox quotation marks parentheses. Then print Roblox is on the server end. What? If statement will check if the Roblox account is in the server, and if they are print something to the output. I want you to make this if statement that just runs no matter what. Copy the following. If true, then print value was true, end. Okay. That if true, then print value was true, end. Okay. Just pressing the answer buttons, but then I'm learning. Okay, so value was true. Run. Yay! My little ADHD mind getting excited over this. Okay, functions are very useful in Luna. I don't even know what. Functions are used to execute tasks. Functions can be called from any part of the script and sometimes return values. For example, function hello, function parentheses, print parentheses hello, and hello function parentheses. This example is the uses a function to print something, right? The example to pass the lesson. Boom. Let's go. I'm so cool. No, I don't want to wait. What if I don't want to wait? Wait is very useful in having intervals between parts of your script. For example, task.wait parentheses 1 print. Okay, so print is like the main thing in all of these. Print under parentheses, comma, hello, quotation, parentheses. The above example will print hello to the output after 1 second. There is a wait for 1 second function. However, in modern Roblox environment, task.wait parentheses is better, so we will use that for the lesson. Copy the above example, but only wait for 0.1 second. Okay, let me, how do I do this? I don't know anything. Oh, there we go. Okay, so start, wait. Okay, and then this line, hello. Yay, else. Okay, what does it say? It says, next we will learn else statements. They are used with if statements and just run if the statement is not met. So you have logic for both. The statement is met or false. An example of using else could be if game dot server storage dot name equal hello, then print the server storage as a weird name, else print the server storage as a normal name, and here check the name of the server storage and print something based on if our check is true or false. Write the following. If false, then print value is true, else print value is false. End. Alright. Boop, done. Value is false. Yippee! Well, loops can be useful in making games and will be the first loop type we will learn while looping repeat and a certain connection is met. Think of them like an if statement that just keeps running while the condition is true. An example of a while loop could be while true do print parentheses in parentheses and quotation marks. This is my loop. Wait parentheses number end. The above example will print this is my loop an infinite amount of times because true is always going to be true, so that loop will keep running. It is important to note that while using loops in actual games, you must add a wait with a number within the loop. Otherwise, the game will crash because it'll run too fast. For the lesson, write out the example for yourself. So, this says, well, true. Oh, is that how you spell true? Yeah. Do this. Wait, no. New line. True. While true, do print, and parenthesis right there. Parentheses. Boop, comma, or quotation marks. Boop, boop. Yo, I'm getting good at this. This is my loop. This is my loop. New line. Wait. Parentheses. I'm gonna do 3. Will that work? Run. Go. This is my loop. Wait, 3. That's what I put. Answer. Oh, I forgot to put end. Okay. Oh, yay! Okay, so you need to press end while loops. Hello function. Okay. Oh my goodness, scripting's so much fun. I don't want to be a scripter when I grow up. Yo, imagine I was actually able to make a game on mobile. That would have been so much better because then we have a lot of more games. Like, I don't want to make stuff on computer. What if I want to make stuff on my phone? I learned coding from scratch, okay? Anyway. experiments can have many use cases, but we're going to use them in basic functions for this lesson. Parameters are data passed through functions. For example, if you wrote a function like the one used in an earlier lesson, put a parameter in, you can tell the function what you want it to print. So, function, hello function, message, print message, and hello function, hello. As you can see, we passed a string value to a function through parameters, and now the function will print that string. Within the function, we are printing a parameter value, so we do not need to put quotations that mark it as a string. Write out the example for yourself. Okay, so function, hello, function, hello function. Is that what it says, right? That's what it says. So what if I put parentheses? You're mine. You're mine. What if I put parentheses? You're mine. And then okay, how does this work? Okay. So can I swap out the message? Yo, this is so confusing. I want it to be your mine, hello function, message, and then print. I don't want it to print message. I want it to print you. And then hello function, hello. And then what? Wait, do I need to wait message? Print you want to print. But what do you want to print? Saying hello, message. Do I have to do it both as you? I don't know. What do you? Do I have to do this exact thing? Yeah, that's boring. Okay. I don't want to do hello. I wanted to do your mine or you or your get. Returning. Okay, I'm guessing I have to do this. Anyway, return can be used to send values back from a function. For example, function get message, return hello, and print blah, blah, blah. Okay, get message. You're mine. Print get message. You're mine. Can I do that? Do I have to do this exact thing? So boring. I want to do my own thing now. Don't tell me there's 100 lessons. No, not 100 lessons. There's 86 of them. We'll try brick. Okay, brick color equals brick color, new black. Okay. What if we will not get anything in our vocabulary? But it will color our example, right? Let's try typing the example out for yourself. Another thing we can learn about is brick color. Brick color is within Roblox used to color parts. In this scenario, we are going to use a workspace with part named My Part within it. We are going to refill the part and set its brick color to black. Alright, brick color, new. Game.workspace.myPart brick color equals brick color dot new. Run. What did I do? Local basics. Okay, so print game.player.localName. So what if I just do that and then service and print their name, keep it. Science they only affect the player they belong. For example, the local script created a new part only for the owner of the local script who would see the part. No one else can. Try the example out for yourself. Okay. That's confusing. Guess it's one ahead. Wait, why is it one ahead? Exactly 100? Okay. Try the fall. Okay. Next we will change this transparency property on a part just like brick color lesson. We will have an example part in the workspace named My Part. We are going to set the part transparency to 1, which will make it invisible, just like the brick color. There will be no output, but the part will change. Try the font. Okay. Game space dot workspace. Dot my part dot transparency transparency equals 1. Equal 1. What did I? Oh, so what? Oh, okay. Wow. You really want me to put no spaces? There is a space. There is a space, isn't there? No, there's no spaces. It has to be uppercase. Okay, yeah, scripting's so confusing. Yo. Alright, it's time for more if. I hate if! Imagine Shrimpo, Fanny, and 1X from Forsaken. They all met each other. Anyway, it's a script. If game.workspace my part .kenko equal true, then print part can collide. Else print part cannot collide. End. Now we have some more statements. And now we can use them to check properties. In this situation, you can have a part called My Part in the workspace. In an earlier lesson, we learned how to toggle if the part can collide or not. Let's make an if statement. Alright, I got you. Make an if statement checking your part. Checking if our part can collide or not. Alright, so basically if I do this, if game dot uppercase or workspace is making this bed squeaky. If game dot workspace dot my part. So S capitalized. No, because that's a word, isn't it? So my workspace dot my space dot can collide. Is that uppercased? Yeah, that is uppercased. Yo, something's making this bed squeaky. I don't know what it is. Wait, no, it's the other way around. DE. Yeah. Gonna collide. Equal trillion. Equal. Yeah, that's a space, right? Yeah. Cool. Real. Then. New line. Select A, right? Yeah, what? What the heck? No, I got disconnected. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Part 2. Part 2.